Hi, welcome to wowmynewlife.com. Today I gonna show you how to install a new plug of a dryer. And here is this one here. Libiton, the brand. It's very easy to install, and most of all we need some tools. We have some screwdrivers, drill, impact drill. I have this Makita impact drill. I have some Sperry multi-tester. This one here, multi-tester. So most dryer is consuming 220 or 220 volts. So we're gonna test that. So if you hear at the panel board, most breaker is number 30. The amperes is 30 amperes. So 1 and 2. So this one, maybe this one is black or red. So we're gonna turn on. So this one here, see, if I gonna put here, the reading is 120 volts. If I do this two red and black, you see like this, that's the one is 220. It's 240 here, but it's a 220 volts. But if I gonna, this white here is a return wire. Always white is return wire. So 120. This is just a ground. This is uncoated. Okay. Now I gonna turn off this breaker so that it's for safety job. So I'm gonna test it again. Make sure there's no power. So no power. And then if you check the continuity, just put in times R key, RX1K, see, there's no connection. That's mean we are in safe. They are not grounded. No. But if there's a moving like this right here, if you check this one, is gonna move, it means it's grounded. It's not good. Okay. It's very easy to change this. See this, we have 3 colors. See the silver, bronze or gold, and a green. That means this one is a return wire. This 1 and 2 is 110 and 110. It means it's a hot wire or live wire. This green is for the ground. Okay, let's do it. It's very easy. Okay, first we're gonna do first this inside here, this ground. We put like this to the junction box. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Put this black. This one is a light 1 and 2. This is 110 and 110. Return wire, ground. Okay, let's do it. So I put it there. Yes, screw it. But do not too tight because you're gonna destroy the bolt and nuts. Okay. And this return wire. Okay, put it there. And then now gonna put this ground. to the grain. Okay, and then we're gonna put it. See, just sometimes you need to fight. It's very strong. But it's, and now we're gonna unscrew this. Just remove all that. That's mean you will not follow this. Some cutter. Okay, that's the way you're gonna put it. And now we're gonna try it. First, we're gonna check if there's a continuity. If this one, this red over here it's gonna move this way, that means it's not good. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna put the power back. If you're gonna get a spark here or gonna trick, that means you're not in a good connection. So just twist other line. So okay. Now we're gonna check. See, that's main is a what 240 or 220. But if I put it here, it's only 110 or 120 volts. But if you're gonna do this, there we can find that 220 power. Okay, that's the way I got to do this. It's very simple to do it. You can save a lot of money for doing this by yourself, or you're gonna call another technician to do it for you, but it's better to do it for you. Just follow my guide. It's very simple. Now I'm gonna show you how to change an outlet plug. First I'm gonna turn off this because I'm gonna work in the bottom. So first we're gonna check if there's no power. There's nothing. So I know this one here. Says 120 only. There's no 220 here because there's only for outlet for the washing machine or whatever. Now, if you don't have this kind of tools, multi-tester, you can plug any machine here so that you can turn off this breaker. So for example, I do this. That's mean there's no power here, then I cannot work. But because Now it's easy to find it because the breaker is almost here. But sometimes in most of them they are in other room or in the basement. But that's the way you're gonna plug. How to do this? Plug any kind of machine, then go to the other room, turn off the panel box, then you know it's no power. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove this plug. It's very simple. Okay. So we're gonna show you how. See, this one here is the black and the white. This white one is a return wire and this is a ground. So they put in the green. Now I'm gonna cut it because I'm gonna remove. Skin this. Okay, that's the way how to remove this skin. Just press a little bit and twist like this, or push the cutter. Yeah. Yes, skin around 1 inch. And now we're gonna put a new one. This new. This one here you can do just push like this. Here, so black is the bronze. This gold here is a black. Always black is gold, and this silver here is stainless is for the white, and this for the ground. This one green. So you can. Give this one here, so if for example it's straight, turn it, just make a hook, put it there, place it, and this one here we can push like this, or we can do like this. But sometimes most of them are, they have, for example, there's another plug over here and go that way, so always put the black over here. So you can put a 1, 2, 3, 4 black over here, all the black and all the white over here. So we're gonna do it. No? Cannot go in because I cut his flat there, so you're gonna do like this. Because you just only one outlet here, so just type this one like that. But for example, there's another plug over here, so the same thing. Black is black, gold is gold. Gold is here, and this white, silver here is silver is white, or stainless is white. So again, do that again. Just make a hook out here. Okay. This one here. That's it. And I'm gonna put it. But sometimes for safety reason, we can wrap, because sometimes if you put it, get spark. This one here, you're gonna case this junction box get spark, if you want for safety reason, you can do like this. You can do like this. So that, because sometimes you get a spark over here, this metal junction, so it's better to do this. And then and this ground is always hooked up to this screw inside there to the junction box. See that this, that's just the same we did for this power box. So, okay. See, she just make a loop like this and push like that. It's very simple, it's too easy. Screw, always go for the bottom one, and there. And make sure they are straight. So see this screw in this hole over here, match it like that. Okay. Now let's try. If there's no, let's power this one there. Okay. Okay, 120. Same thing here. 120 volts. Or we can try it. If you don't have this, just plug this. It's working. Perfect. Now we're gonna put this beautiful cover like that. Yeah. And screw. It's very easy to do this. Just believe it to yourself that you can do it. You can learn it. Okay, see, it's very nice. Now I can put the power this dryer outlet. It's nice now. It's good. And thank you for watching at wowmynewlife.com. And remember, if you learn something, say to yourself, wow, my new life. And believe it to yourself, because you're the only one can believe to yourself that you can learn things. So if you do this one by yourself, if you change this from this ugly one or broke outlet, you save some money, and not only that, you learn things. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe or like, make a comment please. Thank you.